The next step in your writing process is going to be to write the introductory paragraph of your essay. If you're not already on slide 14 of the Literary Analysis Compare and Contrast essay, please pause this video and take a moment to navigate there. The introductory paragraph consists of 4 to 5 sentences that will open up your essay. You should start with a hook, meaning 1 or 2 sentences that catch your reader's attention right away. Next, you will want to frame or explain your topic, give your readers some context, and help them understand what the essay will mostly be about. The last sentence of your introductory paragraph is the thesis statement, which you should already have written. If you haven't already copied and pasted your thesis statement from slide 12, pause the video and take a moment to do that now. If you're not sure how to start with your introductory paragraph, there's a link at the top of slide 14 that will take you to Mrs. LaPaglia's example introductory paragraph so that you can see how she started her work. Her hook, her frame, and her thesis statement. If this isn't helpful for you in terms of getting started, you may want to navigate then to slide 34. On slide 34, you will see that there is a link that you can click to get to some examples of different types of hooks that you may want to try, such as a fascinating fact, a rhetorical question, painting a picture, quoting someone famous, or a provocative statement. You want to avoid hooks such as "did you know" or "have you ever," and push yourself for a more sophisticated opening to your essay. If you're really stuck and you're having a difficult time getting started, please send your teacher a message, but please be sure that first you've taken a look at some of those hook examples as well as the exemplar introductory paragraph. By the end of class today, you should have an introductory paragraph written.